In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell stocks on Robinhood using your PC browser. Let's walk through the process together step by step so you can get started with confidence and know exactly what to expect when managing your investments. First things first, you'll want to open up Robinhood in your preferred web browser on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account, and if you haven't already created one, you'll need to do that before moving ahead. Once you're signed in, head over to the account section found at the top right or in the sidebar, depending on your browser Windows layout. From there, look for the Transfers tab, then choose Linked Accounts. This is where you can connect your bank account, which is essential before you can add any funds. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to securely link your bank account. This process may require you to verify some details, so keep your banking information handy. Once your account is linked, you're ready to move on. To deposit money into your Robinhood account, navigate back to the transfer area, then select Transfer Money. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you wish to transfer from your bank. Fill in the desired amount and then click Submit. The funds you transfer should be available soon, but processing times can vary depending on your bank. Now, let's talk about finding and purchasing a stock or ETF. Click on the search bar at the top of the page and type in the name or symbol of the stock or ETF you're interested in. Select it from the results to head to its dedicated page. To make a purchase, click the Buy button. You'll be given the option to enter either the amount you want to spend or the number of shares you want to buy. Once you've filled out your purchase details, click Review to double check your order. If everything looks good, click Buy to complete your transaction. If you want to keep an eye on an investment without purchasing it right away, there's a handy feature for that. On the stocks page, just click Add to Watch List. This will let you monitor its performance and price changes easily for future decisions. To sell a stock that you already own, head to your watch list or portfolio, find the stock you're looking to sell, and go to its page. Click Trade, then choose Sell. Enter the number of shares or amount you wish to sell, review your order for accuracy, and finally click Sell to complete the process. Lastly, make a habit of checking your portfolio on the account page under the investing section. Keeping track of your investments regularly will help you stay informed about your performance and make smarter decisions about adjusting your investment strategy when needed. With these steps, you're all set to start buying and selling stocks on Robinhood from your computer. Thanks for watching and happy investing.